Have you ever noticed how some Japanese people seem to age on a different timeline? A 50-year-old who reads as 35. A 60-year-old with skin that actually glows. A 70-year-old who still moves like they're decades younger. Here's the thing, it's not genetics. It's not expensive clinics. It's not some miracle serum you haven't heard of yet. It's habits. Small, daily habits that almost nobody pays attention to. They look too simple to matter, and that's exactly the point. Simple is what makes them repeatable, and repeatable is what makes them work. Today I'm going to walk you through 8 tiny Japanese habits that can take years off how you look. Not with complicated routines, not with a shelf full of products. Just simple practices that have been refined over centuries. None of these are overnight fixes. They're small shifts that stack up. Do them consistently, and they change the way you age. Because in Japan, the goal was never to fight aging. It's to age well. So let's break down what that actually looks like, one habit at a time. The first one is double cleansing. In Japan, washing your face isn't a quick splash. It's 2 deliberate steps, every single night. First, an oil-based cleanser. You massage it into dry skin to break down makeup, sunscreen, and the oily buildup that collects during the day. Then you rinse. Second, a water-based cleanser to clear out sweat, dirt, and anything the first pass missed. That's the one that actually reaches into your pores. Most people skip this entirely. They use one cleanser, or worse, they sleep in their makeup. But here's the cause and effect. Your skin does its repair work at night, and clogged pores sabotage that process. Double cleansing means your skin starts the night completely clean, so it can actually do its job. And when your skin can breathe, it ages slower. Fewer breakouts, less congestion, smoother texture, a natural glow. 3 minutes a night that prevent years of damage. The second habit is non-negotiable sunscreen. Every single day. Not just at the beach, not just in summer. Every day. Cloudy, rainy, even when you're stuck indoors. Why? Because UV rays don't take days off. They cut through clouds. They come through windows. They're working on your skin even when you can't feel them. And UV exposure is the #1 driver of premature aging, wrinkles, dark spots, sagging, loss of elasticity. So in Japan, sunscreen isn't a step you debate. It's the foundation. SPF 50 reapplied through the day on the face, neck, and hands. Most people only think about it on the way out the door, but by then, the damage clock is already running. The fix is to make it automatic, the same way you brush your teeth. This isn't vanity. It's protecting your largest organ from damage that was completely preventable in the first place. The third habit is green tea, but not just drinking it. Using it. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins, and those fight the free radicals that age your skin. Drinking it works from the inside. Less inflammation, more protection against UV damage, better elasticity. But Japanese skincare also puts it directly on the skin. Green tea extract in serums, green tea masks, even rinsing the face with cooled tea. The antioxidants absorb in, calm redness, tighten pores, and brighten tone. And this isn't just folklore. Studies show green tea slows the breakdown of collagen, and collagen is what keeps skin firm and plump. Lose it, and you get wrinkles and sagging. So treat green tea as a tool, not just a drink. It protects you from 2 directions at once. The fourth habit is one most people skip entirely: facial massage. In Japan, this isn't a spa treatment. It's part of the morning routine. While applying skincare, you massage the face gently, using upward strokes that follow the lymphatic drainage pathways. That does 3 specific things. 1. It boosts circulation. More blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your skin cells, which is where that natural glow comes from. 2. It drains excess fluid, so you get less puffiness around the eyes and jawline. 3. It signals your skin to produce more collagen. 2 minutes. While you're putting